Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Lesson 6 Mercury, the God of Skill of Classic Tales book. So let's start. Mercury was the Roman god of skill. He was very proud of the fact that all that man created on earth were because of his gift to them. So first of all, the word skill. Skill is the ability to do something well. So Mercury was the Roman god of skill and he was very proud. He always felt very proud for this thing that he had given this skill to man on earth. Mercury felt that even though Jupiter was the lord of all gods, he should have the higher position in people's minds. After all, who had given them the power to make buildings, paint, practice medicine, do just about anything and excel in it? So, here is the word excel. Excel means efficient to do something. Mercury always felt that Jupiter was the lord of all gods. Jupiter was the god of all gods, but he should have the higher position because he had given the skills and the power to man to make buildings, to paint, to practice medicine and anything else. The next paragraph. One day Mercury decided to visit Earth and learn about himself from a common man. So he disguised himself as a traveler and mingled with the crowd in the market. Disguised means to change one's appearance to hide identity. And the next word is mingled. Mingled means mixed. One day Mercury decided that he should visit Earth and learn about himself. So he disguised himself, he dressed himself as a traveler and he mixed with the crowd in the market. Now the next paragraph. Mercury kept wandering in the streets till he came to a sculptor's shop. In the shop he saw statues of many gods and goddesses. The word wandering means walking aimlessly. And the next word is sculptor. Sculptor is the person who makes statues. So when Mercury disguised himself as a traveler, he came into the streets and he came to a sculptor's shop, and there he saw many statues of gods and goddesses. Now Mercury entered the shop and asked the sculptor, "How much are you selling the statue of Jupiter for?" "£2," replied the artist. When Mercury entered the shop, he asked the shopkeeper about the price of the statue of Jupiter. Then the artist replied that the statue of Jupiter was of £2. Mercury then asked the price of the statue of Juno, wife of Jupiter. The sculptor again replied £3. Then Mercury asked the price of his own statue. "Oh, you buy those two and get the statue of Mercury free," replied the sculptor. Now Mercury asked about the price of the statue of Juno. And who was Juno? Juno was the wife of Jupiter. Then the sculptor replied, 3 points. The sculptor replied that the statue of Juno is of 3 points. After that, Mercury asked about the price of his own statue. Then the sculptor said that you buy those 2 statues of Jupiter and his wife Juno, and you can get the statue of Mercury free. Mercury felt very angry, but later realized that it was only his sculpture being prized and not his own self. Hearing this, Mercury was very angry, but later on he realized that it was only his sculpture, it was only his statue that was being prized and not his own self. The moral is, some things in life cannot have a price tag. It's not necessary that each and everything can be priced. There are some things that cannot have a price tag. Now, I hope all of you must have understood this chapter very well.